So if you want to connect your GitHub account to Vercel so you can deploy your projects automatically, don't worry, yeah, I'll guide you step by step in a simple way. First thing first, go to the Vercel website and log in. If you don't already have an account, you can just sign up using your GitHub account, which makes the process even faster. Once you choose GitHub login, Vercel will ask for permission to access your repositories, and you just need to click Authorize to continue. After that, you'll land on the Vercel dashboard, where you can click on Add New Project. Here you'll see a list of your GitHub repositories automatically, which means the connection is already active. Now just pick the repository you want to use and click Import. This links your GitHub project directly to Vercel. Next, you'll see some configuration options like Framework, Build Command, and Output Folder. Most of the time, Vercel detects everything automatically, so you don't need to change anything and can just click Deploy. Once deployed, your project goes live instantly with a URL. And the best part is automatic deployment, which means every time you push new code to your GitHub repository, Vercel will automatically rebuild and update your site without you doing anything. You can also manage permissions later from settings if needed. And yeah, that's it. Your GitHub and Vercel are now fully connected. So if you want to deploy your website using Vercel but don't know where to start, don't worry. Yeah, I'll walk you through everything step by step in a really simple way. First thing first,